Hello everyone, my name is Tewo. My name is Tewo Tewo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're going to do a physical census. I expect you to have done kinetic molecular theory. And after this lesson, I expect you to be able to explain the rates of fractions and factors affecting the rates of fraction. And you must be able to explain what we mean by ration rate, and also explain factors which affect the rate of chemical reactions. And learners must be able to explain or define the correlation theory. I'm going to give you tutorials. You must go home and write this one. But it's fine, don't write it home. You can do a group work. In a group of 5, you can just group yourself with your friends. Do these things. First, number 1, define the rate of fractions, define endothermic reactions, define endothermic reactions, define activated complex, and define the concentration. Go home, group yourself in a group of 5 with your friends, explain those concepts. You see, as you're going to meet those concepts as you're going forward, even in our next slides, those concepts will help you. You understand? As I explained before, those tutorials you're going to work in a group of 5, and I'm going to give you an individual work. As I explained, those questions I just put on the tutorials, they are very, very important. They are the baseline. They are the baseline. You see, once you miss those ones, you understand the concepts. Once you don't get those ones right, you understand the concepts. Make sure you don't just go to internet, just punch what is exothermic reaction. No, try to explain those ones in your own understanding. You understand? Try to put your own understanding on those concepts. Don't just go to internet, just punch there, get answers. No, explain them thoroughly. You understand me? Also, you can see those concepts, they appears many times, because I'm trying to emphasize these 4 concepts, these 5 concepts. Number 1, reaction rate, and exothermic, endothermic, activated complex, and concentrations. They are very, very, very important from now on. Even on our chemical equilibriums, you are going to meet those concepts. So make sure you understand this concept. Don't just cram. This is your homework. I need you to now here you must do a research. Explain to me. You understand? What does it mean when a reaction is reversible? What does it mean by the term reversible? When you say a reaction, this reaction is reversible, what do we mean exactly? So I need you to write those one down as a homework, and also I need you to explain what the difference is between an open and closed system, and also from this equations given here, which one must occur in a closed system? Which one? You see. So number 3, a saturated solution of sodium chloride is in water is prepared, and sodium chloride is dissolved in water until small amounts remains at the bottom. Then the following equilibrium reaction applies. We get this one. When this one dissolves in water, we get this one. You understand? In an aqueous state. Then I need to explain to me. First, ask yourself which one is the product and which one is the reactant. You understand? And also explain the importance of this double arrow. Why this double arrow? Why? What is the meaning of this? And also, I need you to master these 2. I just gave you the one diagram of endothermic reactions. I need you to also tell me remember, delta H for endothermic reaction is what? Always negative. You understand? Because by endo, we means what? What do we mean by endo? In, taking in. You understand? So, which if delta H is positive and also must be able to define it is complex, and also you must know what is a rectangle, what is a product again. So a diagram for exothermic reactions, a delta H for exothermic reaction is always positive. So the diagram for endothermic it will be like this. It will come here. You see, and delta H, and you see the delta H will be smaller for exothermic reactions, and also your exothermic delta H for exothermic reactions it will be positive. So these terms will help you from the one I just gave you a lot of work to do tutorials. So this work will help you there. And you must be able to end exothermic reactions. And the product is less than the energy of the energy of this one less than the of the reactant. In exothermic reactions, the energy of product is less than the energy of reactant. The activation energy, the difference is in energy between the reactant and the activated. This one is our unit for activation energy. Activation energy is also referred to as a minimum amount of energy required for molecular to react. You understand?